the gift I give to my students. Then when you open it, ta-da! A complete starter kit professional with your new machine. Needles, I recommend. All you need. Let me show you. Previous name. Mapping kit, mapping string with 2 colors, white and black. The designer pencil. Designer pencils. New, of course. Pigment containers. Pigment, at least 1 pigment. More nitrile gloves, samples. Wrap for machine. Part of the mapping kit, concealer and loose powder. This is for your eyebrows. This is a gift. Needles, machine completely new. This is for mapping. Latex, guide for needles and latex. It is very important to practice. We will practice on latex at the same time on class. This is for ombre powder brows. This is for brows. This is the kit only for brows. The kit for lip blush training, eyeliner is different. Here you have the combo brows and nano brows, microblading patterns I use for microblading, in both sides printed, for you can take advantage of the space and practice on class. Powder brows.